We have additional evacuees that are rescued from the high water situation.
This is historic, it's epic what happened, but you know what? It happened in Texas, and Texas can handle anything. Thank you all, folks.
I feel so guilty about it. Yeah, come on. Thank you very much.